Hi, I'm Mike. Thank you for purchasing the EdgeStar Kegerator. This unit's easy to assemble and requires just some basic household tools. Let's get started.
Lay the unit on its back. Use a flat washer on the front two holes of the unit and attach the casters. Then, screw in the remaining two casters. Now attach the railing by lining up the rail with the existing holes and pushing down. Remove the plug from the top of the unit. Mount the tower gasket with the existing holes and then drop the beer line into the fridge. Attach the 4 screws to the base of the tower. For twin faucet setups, line up the tower gasket, then drop down the beer lines on one at a time into the refrigerator. Attach the 4 screws to the base of the tower. Next, attach the faucet to the front of the tower. Tighten by hand and then use the included faucet wrench to secure into place. Then attach the regulator to the tank. And tighten with the wrench. Next, put a hose clamp on the end of the air line. Slide the line onto the bottom of the regulator and secure with a hose clamp. If the air line is difficult to install, dip the end of the hose into some hot water to soften up the line. Slide a hose clamp on the other end of the air line and connect the air line to the side of the coupler and secure with a hose clamp. Now install the washer to the top of the coupler and screw the hex nut at the end of the beer line to the top of the coupler. Mount the CO2 tank into the cylinder clip. Install the long bolt through the cylinder clip and attach the nut to secure. For twin faucet setups, attach the air line from the bottom of the T to the regulator, then the remaining 2 connections will attach to each coupler. Set your unit upright for 24 hours before plugging in to let the gases settle. Then, enjoy!